Linksys e900 setup without CD. Check internet connection through mode. Connect the computer directly to the internet modem, and make sure that your internet is working correctly through the modem. If it is not, then call the internet service provider, and get the internet fixed through the modem. Make connections to the router. Connect the modem to the internet, one port, and connect your computer to one of the Ethernet ports on the e900. If you connect the computer to the internet port, it will not communicate with the router, and you will not be able to set up your router. Open the setup page. Open the internet browser on your computer. In the address bar, type 192.168.1.1. This number 192.168.1.1 is the default IP address of the router. It will ask you for the username and password. Once you open the setup page of the router, you will see all the settings which are required to be customized. Access internet on main computer. You have now changed the internet connection settings. Try to go online on the main wired computer. Once your main computer is able to go online, your router is connected to the modem successfully. Change wireless settings. Change the wireless settings. Click on Wireless tab. Create a new wireless network name SID. Keep the network mode mixed. SID broadcast enabled. Click Save Settings. Go to Wireless Security sub-tab. Enable security on the wireless network. Change it to WPAE2 Personal. Enter the password. Save settings. Do not share your network key with anybody. Connect to wireless network. If you have any wireless computer or other Wi-Fi devices, then try to connect to Wi-Fi. You will see the Wi-Fi name that you just created. It will ask you for the password. Enter the Wi-Fi password, and it will connect.